No wires? No problem. Adorn and Radiant with Netatmo wireless smart switches don't need wires. Just add a switch or dimmer to any wall for easy three-way control. You can even include more wireless switches or dimmers, up to 20, for 4 or 5-way control and beyond. To start, you'll need to pair the new switch to a wired smart switch or dimmer. This will allow both switches to control the same light. First, remove the battery tab on the back of the device. Press and hold the Easy Setup button on the gateway until the light turns solid green. The light on the in-wall switch will also be solid green during this step. Press the paddle on the wireless device once. The LED will turn green, then turn off. While pressing the off paddle on the wireless device, tap the device 3 times against the switch, dimmer, or outlet you want to connect to. The LED on both devices will flash blue, then turn solid blue, indicating they are paired. The in-wall device LED will turn back to green. The wireless device LED will turn off. Once this is complete, press the Easy Setup button once on the gateway to complete the process. All LEDs will turn off. Your wireless switch is now paired. Apply the 2 included pressure adhesive strips to the top and bottom of the back side of the wireless switch. Then simply press the switch to the wall or flat surface where you want it. It's that easy. You can also place the switch adjacent to or over any existing switch opening. For this installation, we'll use a 2-gang subplate. If installing in place of an existing switch, remember to turn off the breaker first and terminate any existing wires in the box. If needed, a ground wire is available on your wireless device to be connected to the ground wire or wires in your box. You can also set up and pair the switch directly from the app. In the Home Plus Control app, click Add Device. Select Legrand. Select the device type, Wireless Switch. Then select your specific device. You'll now be instructed to press and hold the Easy Setup button on the gateway until it turns solid green. Tap Next. Remove the battery tab on the wireless device and select Next. Activate the wireless switch by pressing down the off paddle. The LED will flash green, then turn solid green. Once the LED turns off, tap Next. Select the device you want to pair it with. Tap Validate, then tap Finish. Your wireless switch will be added to the same room as the switch you paired it with. You can change the name of your wireless switch or dimmer by selecting the device in the app, then tapping the More icon in the upper right corner. Then tap Rename. You can now control the light from both switches or from the app. It's really that easy. Add the convenience of multi-location control wherever you want with Legrand.